Welcome to Bahar Interior and Exterior Design, where we explore practical design ideas that help you create beautiful, functional, and timeless spaces. A small home doesn't have to feel small. Some compact apartments feel more spacious, elegant, and expensive than homes twice their size. The difference isn't square footage, it's design. When a room feels cramped, it's usually because the eye is constantly interrupted by too many objects, colors, materials, and furniture pieces. Every visual break makes the space feel smaller. Great interior design does the opposite. It creates continuity, balance, and a clear visual hierarchy, allowing the room to feel calm and open. In this video, I'll show you 6 practical design principles that can make almost any small space look bigger and more luxurious without expensive renovations or filling your home with trendy decor. Because creating a luxury interior isn't about adding more, it's about making smarter design decisions. One of the biggest mistakes in a small home is buying everything in a smaller size. It sounds logical, but filling a room with many small furniture pieces often makes it feel crowded instead of spacious. Every separate object competes for attention, making the room appear busy. Instead, use fewer pieces with stronger proportions. Start with the rug. A small rug isolates the furniture, while a larger rug connects the seating area into one complete composition. Ideally, at least the front legs of your sofa and chairs should rest on it. The same idea applies to your sofa. A properly scaled sofa often looks more elegant than several small chairs because it creates a stronger visual anchor. At the same time, don't overcrowd the room. Leave comfortable walkways and enough space around each piece so the layout can breathe. Also pay attention to furniture legs. Pieces raised slightly above the floor reveal more flooring underneath, creating a lighter appearance and making the room feel more open. In a small home, the goal isn't to fit more furniture. It's to make every piece feel intentional. A room instantly feels larger when the eye can move through it without constant visual interruptions. That's why visual continuity is one of the most powerful tools in small space design. If possible, use the same flooring throughout connected spaces. A continuous floor creates a longer visual path and prevents the home from feeling divided into smaller rooms. Next, simplify your color palette. You don't need everything to be white. Warm neutrals, soft greens, muted blues, or earthy tones all work beautifully. The key is consistency. Repeating a limited palette throughout the room creates a calmer, more unified space. Curtains also make a surprising difference. Hang them close to the ceiling instead of directly above the window and let them reach the floor. This simple change makes both the windows and the room appear taller. Finally, avoid using too many different materials and finishes. Repeating the same wood tone, metal finish, or fabric throughout the space creates harmony and gives the room a more refined, high-end feel. A luxurious room doesn't feel like a collection of separate objects. It feels like one carefully designed space. When people think about decorating a room, they usually focus on the floor. Professional designers think vertically. If everything in a room stays at the same height, the ceiling feels lower and the space feels compressed. But when you draw the eye upward, the entire room appears taller. One of the easiest ways to do this is with curtains. Install the curtain rod close to the ceiling and let the fabric reach the floor. Even in a small apartment, this simple change can make ordinary windows feel much larger. The same principle applies to storage. Instead of several short cabinets, choose one tall bookcase or floor-to-ceiling cabinetry. A single vertical element creates a stronger architectural statement while reducing visual clutter. Artwork also matters. Hanging pictures too low visually pulls the room downward. Place artwork at a comfortable eye level, and when appropriate, use larger pieces instead of several small frames competing for attention. Lighting can reinforce this effect as well. Pendant lights, tall floor lamps, and vertical wall sconces naturally guide the eye upward, adding a sense of height without changing the room itself. Designers don't create bigger rooms, they create stronger vertical proportions. That's often enough to completely change how a space feels. Luxury isn't defined by how much you own, it's defined by how little competes for your attention. Walk into a high-end hotel or a professionally designed home, and you'll notice something immediately. The surfaces are calm. Tables aren't covered with decorations, countertops aren't filled with appliances, and shelves aren't packed with objects. That sense of calm isn't accidental. It's carefully designed. Visual clutter makes a room feel smaller because every object asks for attention. Even beautiful items lose their impact when they're surrounded by too many other things. Instead of adding more storage furniture, look for smarter storage. Choose coffee tables with hidden compartments, beds with built-in drawers, benches that open for storage, or custom cabinets that keep everyday items out of sight. Then edit what stays visible. Instead of displaying 20 decorative objects, display 3 that truly deserve attention. A single sculpture, a stack of beautiful books, or a well-crafted vase often creates more impact than an entire shelf of accessories. Remember, empty space isn't wasted space. In interior design, empty space gives everything else room to breathe. The more intentional your visible objects are, the more expensive your home will feel. Every beautiful room tells your eyes where to look first. Without a focal point, your attention jumps from one object to another, making the space feel busy and unorganized. A focal point creates order. It could be a fireplace, a large piece of artwork, a beautiful window, a statement light fixture, or even a carefully styled bookshelf. The important thing is that one element becomes the visual anchor of the room. Once you've chosen that feature, let everything else support it. Arrange furniture to face it. Keep nearby surfaces simple. Avoid placing several bold pieces in the same view because they begin to compete instead of complement each other. This is a common mistake in small homes. A colorful rug, oversized artwork, patterned curtains, and multiple decorative pieces all fight for attention at the same time. Instead of feeling luxurious, the room feels visually noisy. Professional designers know that emphasis creates elegance. When one element stands out, everything around it feels more intentional. Before buying another decorative accessory, Ask yourself one question. What is the first thing people should notice when they enter this room? If the answer isn't clear, your room probably doesn't need more decoration. It needs a stronger focal point. One of the biggest myths in interior design is that luxury comes from expensive furniture. It doesn't. Luxury comes from contrast, texture, and thoughtful layering. Walk into a beautifully designed home and you'll rarely find just one material repeated everywhere. Instead, you'll see warm wood next to natural stone, soft fabrics balanced with metal accents, and smooth surfaces mixed with textured ones. Each material adds depth without competing for attention. The key is restraint. You don't need 5 different wood finishes or every trendy material in one room. In fact, too much variety creates visual noise. A luxury interior usually relies on just a few carefully selected materials that are repeated consistently throughout the space. For example, pair warm oak with light stone, linen upholstery, matte black details, and a touch of brushed brass. Individually, these materials are simple. Together, they create richness. Lighting is another layer that people often overlook. Instead of relying on a single ceiling light, combine ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting. A table lamp, a floor lamp, or soft cabinet lighting can completely change how textures and materials are perceived, especially in the evening. This is what makes luxury interiors feel inviting rather than staged. They're designed with depth because expensive design isn't about filling a room with premium products, it's about combining ordinary materials in an extraordinary way. If you remember only one thing from this video, let it be this. A small home doesn't need more space, it needs better design decisions. Choose furniture that creates stronger proportions instead of filling every corner. Create visual continuity so the eye moves effortlessly through the room. Use height to make the space feel larger. Keep clutter out of sight. Build one strong focal point instead of several competing ones. Layer materials with intention rather than excess. None of these ideas require a complete renovation. Most of them are based on principles, not budgets. That's why professional designers can transform a room without changing its size. The goal has never been to make your home look bigger just for the sake of it. The goal is to make it feel calm, balanced, and intentional because that's what people associate with luxury. So before buying another piece of furniture or another decorative accessory, take a step back and ask yourself, does this improve the overall composition of the room, or is it simply adding more? Sometimes removing one unnecessary object does more for a space than buying something new. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more practical interior and exterior design ideas, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, remember, a luxurious home isn't about having more space. It's about making every inch feel intentional.